A diver's vision is limited by the mask. Lugging a bulky air tank means fleeing to escape is out of the question.
You have to always assume that there is the potential for an aggressive encounter, especially when you're diving with sharks. And that's why it's really important to kind of keep your head on a swivel, be aware of your surroundings. It's better to assume the worst and be prepared for it than to be taken off guard.
So, you want to go turn it on? I'll do that. Turning it on. There should be a mini electrical field now.
Company arrives.
They're coming in.